Okay, proteins that kill invading microbes. Like I told you, this is still part of the third of the second line of defense. Okay, the complement system, very effective chemical defense. There are about 20 of these different proteins. And these proteins are going to be circulating in your plasma, in your blood. They're going to be just around, okay? And what they're going to do is, well, they have different functions. One of them is going to be, one of them is going to be attracting macrophages to the area. Okay, so one of the functions of this plasma membrane of these complement proteins are to pretty much call on other attract or call upon other macrophages, so they can go to the area and start phagocytizing things, right? But they're doing another thing too, and this is kind of, I want to put this as number one. I'm sorry, it was kind of messy. This is a number one, and then I'm going to do number two here. Complement proteins also form something called a membrane attack complex, okay, MAC. And MAC is a pore. Pretty much the MAC forms a pore, causing water to rush in and burst into the cell. Okay, so this is the complement proteins that you can see over here, and this is not exactly what it looks like, but this is just a easy an easy looking representation of a MAC. Okay, and they will get together. Okay, this is going to be a MAC and an MAC, and it makes a hole, it makes a pore, and then water can flush in. So much water goes in that it makes the cell explode. And the other set of proteins that we have in the second line of defense are called interferons. And interferons, what I want you to know about them, very basic, is it is a protein, okay, that attacks or that is active during viral infections, okay, viruses. It's a warning system. That's what it is. So what happens is, in a very easy way, very simple, simplified manner, is what happens, well, there's a virus here, right? And this is a cell. What happens with this cell, I'm going to call it cell one. Okay, cell number one is this one. Cell number two is this one. Okay, what's going to happen is this: it's a warning system. So this cell number one, is going to get infected by a virus. Okay, it enters the cell. The virus enters the cell, replicates, and that is going to interferon genes are going to start turning on. Okay, and then it's going to produce interferon molecules. Okay, now what's happening here is this cell number one is going to die. Okay, it has been virally infected. It's going to die. It's going to take one for the team. Okay, and because it's going to die, but before he dies, he's going to do something very heroic. Okay, it's going to say, okay, I'm going to die, but I'm going to start making interferons, and these interferons are they going to be secreted. Okay, it's going to be secreted by the cell, and it's going to be kind of folding in the receptor of cell number two. Well, guess what? Cell number two now has received this message. Okay, the message is there is a virus around here. So now what cell number two is going to do is going to protect itself. Okay, it's going to protect itself. It's going to do something. It's going to make proteins, for example, that block viral reproduction. That block viral reproduction. Okay, it's going to be able to make other antiviral proteins. In other words, because this cell number two was able to get the message, okay, now it's able to make proteins to defend itself against the virus. And technically the virus, the cell will survive. Okay, and that's it. That's all I need you to know about complement proteins and interferons.